Alright, so this is going to be the last video in this series. What we're going to do today is take out all the rivets. I'm going to put fresh brand new rivets in. And then on, I believe that side, I'm going to take all those rivets that hold the side panel, because that's what all of the wiring goes through that panel to the back. I'm going to put nut certs in there, so then you don't have to drill out rivets every time you want to take the panel off. You could just unscrew it. Gonna fix all the loose bolts on the front of the console. I'm gonna go ahead and I think probably repaint this console. I think that'll look good. We put this new seat up there. I'm gonna go ahead and, so they wanted like 180 bucks to reupholster that seat that was here. This seat was 60 bucks at Walmart. No brainer for me. But this seat was a little more narrow than I anticipated, so I have to use the original base. But what I think I'm gonna do is go and get this PVC material, cut a nicer shape out, paint that the same color as the center console. So got that going. Got a wire. I pulled out some old lights, wired up some new ones. Got to finish those. Got 2 more to do, and then clean her up, take some pictures, and list her. So you could just see over the years and years, rivets have come loose. So might as well just replace them all. I was thinking about doing something with this seat, but not gonna happen. It's a live well. If it was easy to find a cushion for this, I would, but I just find the whole seat pretty much. Looks like I gotta tighten that too. No big deal. I'll probably try to clean off the greenness without making the seat even worse. We'll see how that works out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started drilling all these rivets. It's like over 300 I've counted, so wish me luck. All right, so from the last clip, I've done a lot, and mainly got all the rivets replaced on the floor, all new bolts, riv nuts around the edge of the console. I riv nut this panel on. That was a pain in the ass. What else have I done? Cleaned up the boat pretty good. And listed it on Facebook Marketplace 22 hours ago. And I posted it up for a pretty high number. I'll share the listing in a minute. And then surprisingly, I've had a ton of people contacting me. That's not surprising, but I already have somebody that's coming tonight at 7 p.m. to come buy the boat. Didn't even negotiate the price. So if he comes and buys it, that's gonna be sick. Less than 24 hours of posting, got a buyer. So I figured I'd take this thing out, rip it for a bit more, make sure it's all 100% good. Yeah, man, super excited. Everything seems to be running great. Console doesn't vibrate, like shake like it was. But yeah, man, so I guess we'll see what happens when this guy comes, and you guys will see how much sold it for. Well, I didn't get any video of closing the deal because it kind of got busy talking to him, and so figured I'd finish out the video with the GSX in the background. But yeah, in 24 hours, sold it. Now, my original plan was to flip the money into enough money to pay for good old paint job, but now my goal is to flip this money into 40 grand before I start spending it on anything for me. So I'm going to continue to buy different projects, and once I hit 40K, I will then buy a paint job for this old girl. So hope you guys enjoyed the series. This last video is kind of I should have documented it better, but whatever. We're here now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And hopefully the next one's car related and people want to watch it. We'll see. Peace out.